Hey creators, today I'm going to show you how to sell your digital products on Gumroad in 2025. This is perfect for ebooks, courses, music, or any digital creation you want to share with the world. Start by opening Gumroad in your browser and logging in. Using your Google account is the quickest way to get started. Once you're on your dashboard, head over to the Products tab and click New Product to begin. Give your product a clear and engaging name and make sure the type is set to Digital Product. Choose your currency and set a price that reflects the value of your work. Next, make your listing shine by clicking Customize. Write a concise, compelling description that explains the benefits of your product, upload an eye-catching cover image or video, and add any extra details your customers might need. You can even create a simple custom URL for easy sharing. Finally, click Save and Continue, upload your files if necessary, and hit Publish. That's it. Your product is now live on Gumroad, ready to reach buyers everywhere.